Dr. Ansari Tahera Tasneem from Economics Department in J.A.T Arts, Science and Commerce College, Malegaon. Today, my topic is poverty and the causes of poverty. The several challenges of Indian economy is facing in the current days. Some of the major and root challenges of Indian economy are: number one is poverty, the burning problem of an India, that is unemployment, inequality, and the informal sector. We can discuss one by one. Number one is poverty. What is the meaning of poverty? Poverty is a condition in which a person or community lacks the financial resources and essentials for a minimum standard of living. People cannot get enough income to fulfill their basic necessities of life. इंसान अपनी ज़रूरियात को, बेसिक नेसेसिटीज़ ऑफ लाइफ को भी पूरा नहीं करने पाता, इतनी उसकी इनकम जो है वो नहीं होती. What is the definition of this poverty? Poverty is a combination of economic, social and cultural backwardness, according to which people living in poverty lack basic living materials and services and do not have development opportunities. Then, what is the nature of poverty in India? There are two types of poverty. Number one is absolute poverty, and the second is relative poverty. Absolute poverty refers to inability of a section of population to achieve basic necessities of life. आबादी का वो हिस्सा जो अपनी बुनियादी ज़रूरियात को भी पूरा नहीं करने पाता. While relative poverty refers to inequality in distribution of income and expenditure. आपस की ना बराबरी, inequality in the distribution of income and the expenditure. What are the causes behind this poverty? The main causes of poverty are: India is overpopulated country. It is still continued among the poorer countries of the world. The main causes of poverty are: number one is fast rising population. All the development efforts by the Indian government and the working public divided by a population of over 100 crores amounts to very little. This can be divided by the total national income by the total number of population, that is equal to per capita income, and this per capita income is very low. Second cause is large scale unemployment. Population is growing very fastly, yet the job opportunities are not growing proportionately as increase in the number of population. Hence, poverty keeps rising instead of lower down. The third cause for population is poverty is unequal land holding. Fertile land in India is limited. A few rich people hold larger areas of land while a vast majority owns only small pieces of land and their cultivation does not yield reasonable returns. बहुत सारे लोगों के पास जमीन का 1 एकड़ 2 एकड़ जमीन है. Therefore, poverty elimination is not possible because of this low holding or unequal land holding. Number 4 cause is low productivity in agriculture. Low agricultural income because of low productivity in rural areas do not permit the use of modern techniques of production and irrigation facilities. As a result, productivity in agriculture is low, resulting in added the poverty also. While the 5th cause is low pace of the development. The planning process in India lacked adequate dynamism. Purchasing the general population, purchasing power of this general population is very much low level. Then 6th is low spread of education. That is the illiteracy. While the literacy in India is very low, and lower literacy means less wages, contributing to more and more poverty. Number 7 is lower saving and low investment. Because saving is equal to investment. As most people are poor, savings and consequently investments get lower. Thus, production does not get the required boost to evaluate the income level. Number 8 is unequal development of the country. The Green Revolution in India seemed to help only the rich people. Poor people have become poorer and rich have got richer. The next cause is the inadequate capital, less conducive environment for investment, rising unemployment due to automation and lack of political will, and other important reasons for high poverty in India. If there is an increase in unemployment, inequality, and conducive environment for the investment, rising unemployment increases the poverty. These are the main causes for increasing poverty in India. Thank you very much.